Hello, everybody. Katie Woo, The Big Lie. This is Miss D. I can't wait to read another Fran Manushkin book to you about Katie Woo. So let's get going. The Big Lie. Ooh. Katie Woo and The Big Lie. Here we go. Table of contents again. We have 3 chapters. Chapter 1 is The Missing Plane. Chapter 2 is Katie's Bad Grab. And Chapter 3 is The Truth. The Missing Plane. One day after recess, Miss Winkle told the class, "Jake has lost his toy airplane. Has anybody found it?" Katie Woo shook her head. No. So did her friends Pedro and Jojo and everyone else. "My father gave me the airplane yesterday," said Jake. "It was his birthday present," he said. "It was a birthday present," he said. "Maybe your plane flew away," said someone else. "That is not funny," said Miss Winkle. Jojo told Jake, "I saw you playing with your plane at recess. It's so neat. I hope you find it." Miss Winkle asked again, "Does anyone know where Jake's airplane is?" "I don't," Katie told Jake. But she was lying. Chapter 2, Katie's Bad Grab. Earlier that day, during recess, Katie saw Jake running around with his airplane. "I want to do that," Katie told herself. "I wish that plane belonged to me." When recess was almost over, 3 fire trucks sped by. While everyone was watching them and waving to the firefighters, Katie grabbed Jake's plane. She put it into her pocket. Now Jake's plane was inside Katie's desk. "I can't wait to play with it when I go home," Katie thought. During art class, Katie said maybe a kangaroo hopped over and put the airplane in her pouch. "I don't think so," said Miss Winkle. "There are no kangaroos around here." During spelling, Katie said maybe the garbage man came and took Jake's plane. "No way," Jojo said. She shook her head. "I didn't see any garbage trucks." Jake kept staring at the empty box that his airplane came in. The birthday ribbon was still on the box. Jake looked like he was going to cry. Katie didn't feel happy either. When nobody was looking, she took something out of her desk and put it into her pocket. Chapter 3, The Truth. Katie walked to the window and began using the pencil sharpener. All of a sudden, Katie yelled, "I see Jake's plane. It's by the window. It must have flown in during recess." Katie handed Jake the plane. She whispered, "That was a lie, Jake. I took your plane, and I'm very sorry." At first, Jake was angry at Katie. Then he said, "I am glad you gave it back. I feel a lot better now." "I do too," Katie said. And that was the truth. Oh, again, we have the glossary. We have discussion questions. And I'll read number 2 to you. Katie lied to Jake. Has anyone ever lied to you? How did it make you feel? And then you have some writing prompts. And the first one is Katie broke some rules in the story. Write down at least one rule she broke. So, The Big Lie by Katie Woo's The Big Lie by Fran Manushkin. I like the lesson that this taught. It's always good to tell the truth. And I hope that you enjoyed another Katie Woo book. Have a great day. Bye-bye from Miss D.